Here with Jamie and Jane from Ysgol Llwyn yr Eos, who've just brought 29 children to Park Avenue this afternoon to enjoy the game. How did you enjoy the visit?
We thoroughly enjoyed the visit.
Yeah, it's my first time here as well.
Okay.
I come quite often, but thoroughly enjoyed as always, yeah.
Right, and the kids enjoyed their day at Park Avenue then. What were there different elements that you think they enjoyed more than others?
I think they enjoyed the whole thing, meeting before the game and having a look
The
around
tour
and a tour,
around, yeah,
and then
definitely.
actually getting to come on the pitch half-time and play. They thoroughly enjoyed it. They were all...
Yeah, and meeting the players at the end, getting their autographs at the end.
They're all still collecting autographs at the
They're
moment.
still there now,
aren't they?
yeah, they're still there now. Can't get them away. They really enjoyed. I think a lot of them hopefully will start coming with their parents more often now that they've seen what it's like, you know, the atmosphere here.
Yeah, did you think it was an exciting game?
It was a good game. The second
half was good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very enjoyable.
And I like to think you had an influence in the Diaz stand in the first half, sucking that ball into the net from that goal from Jeff Kellaway.
That was a great goal. Absolutely brilliant goal.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Really, really good.
Yeah. So if we invited you again, you'd come again. Is that right?
Well, we're hoping that next year we do get an invitation again, because we'll definitely come back.
We'll put you on the list. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Thank you.